Sir, please
Yeah,
unmute
yeah,
yourself, sir. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
fine, fine, fine.
Yeah. In my career, when most of the time I have seen that the students, when they reach their final year, then they realize that the importance of all the subjects that they have already learned them in engineering, but they have learned it only for the examination purpose. So they are worried about their future, means worried about their own career, and they will have very limited time. Mostly it happens in 4th year, second semester. Now they are worried about the career and they will like to get some good job in good big companies. So this is the worriness that if they are not focusing in their 4 years of engineering, then they face a lot of problems in final year, or even after completing, most of the students don't get a proper job. So that's what this seminar is for those who are still in first or second year. Okay. Now, the first topic that I'm going to discuss is what you learn in engineering. What do you learn? So I have categorized into three things. One is programming, and then computer science concepts, and also third one is problem solving. The first thing, in your first year, most of the universities in their first year, they teach C programming, C or C++, these type of programming languages they teach in their first year. Now, some students think that now we are in the era of cloud computing and we have the advanced languages like Python that is in use now. Then why they are teaching us C or C++? The student gets confused here. But actually, C language is the mother of all the languages. We can take it as in high-level languages, means the languages which can be easily understood by humans. In high-level languages, C language is the mother of all. And if suppose you are learning just C++, then it means C is actually a subset of C++. So if you're learning C++, you are also learning C language also. So some universities, they offer C++ in their first year. So learn any one of this language. This is the base language. And I have a next slide to show you. Somebody is using the screen. If they are just moving their mouse also, it is drawing something on the screen. Because I'm using a marker here. Yeah, you can clear the screen from your side. Okay, back to the topic. Now here I have listed some of the programming languages like you may be studying in your engineering, like C, C++, C#, or Java, JavaScript, Python, HTML, SQL, PHP, Perl. These are I have collected these subjects from various various university syllabus. So these are the commonly taught languages in your engineering course. The first thing is C++. Right? Now C or C++. Now, these are general purpose languages. If you take all these from C, C++ up to Java, these are for general purpose. They can be used for any purpose, any type of programming that you can develop a website, you can develop a standalone application, you can develop a cloud-based application, you can develop middlewares, you can develop various things using these languages. Now, sometimes this type of applications are also required. Device drivers. If you talk about device drivers, development of can be done only in C and C++. It's also called as a systems programming. So what is this device drivers? Like suppose if you are connecting a printer to your machine, then you need a driver to use that printer. So that driver software is written in C or C++. It cannot be written in Java or JavaScript or Python, any of these languages. It will be C or C++ along with some assembly language. So from this, I can